Let's see how to draw a dolphin fish. Draw a nose and then draw a head slowly, and then draw a line below going down, and then connect the nose to the tail end. Draw the wings. Then give the outer body shape. Draw the another wing, upper fin. Then draw the tail part. Draw it carefully, and then draw the eyes. Make the shade black shade so the eye looks beautiful. Yeah, now we have drawn the dolphin fish. Let's color. I am giving blue color. I am using pencil sketch. Slowly fill the color. The color should not cross the borders. Don't give any space, fill all the white spaces. Blue color for the remaining portion. Fill the color for the tail part. Now the fins. Yeah, it really looks beautiful. I like this dolphin. Hope you like it too. Now let's draw the drops, water drops, which adds more beauty to this dolphin fish drawing. It looks like water splashing. Let's give color, watercolor, blue. Yeah, now the dolphin is really jumping out of water. Thank you.